Today I show you how to nicely lay up pre-tailored reinforcements, with other words, preforms. Hello, I'm Tino, CPO at Ottobock, and this is O&P Workshop Insights. If you're familiar with the preforms, the pre-tailored reinforcements, you may know the problem to avoid the wrinkles when you overlap these two layers. It's really easy to take them out because the base layer is just a felt and you can tear it and then it gets softer and it's much easier to overlap that, and then you can avoid the wrinkles because the base layer gets much softer. To stick the preforms to your base layer, the Perlon, use the multi-purpose spray glue. Just a thin layer and then stick it on. Start with the long arm and then the short one. Now I show you how you can take these wrinkles out. Start with the short arms from this axial reinforcement, pull it down, then this one here in the middle, and then you can overlap these two layers. And under vacuum, the whole wrinkle is flat, and this you do all around with the other four crosses. To avoid grinding later when the socket is done, through the carbon fiber, pre-cut the shape of the frame. That helps you, and you have less carbon fibers later during the grinding. At the beginning, I applied a thin layer of spray glue on the long arms of the preform. Later, I do just a spur of spray glue underneath the short ones. Also open the valve in the carbon fiber before you laminate. It's easier then to grind afterwards. The next step is the radial reinforcement, so circular with the double S shape. And it fits to mostly all of the sockets, but in some cases you see you're struggling with the reinforcement. It doesn't fit to your trim lines of the socket. There's an easy trick to do. Stretch and tear the fibers and it gets much softer and it's much easier to bring the carbon fiber closer to the trim lines of the socket. Ready. So this is the finished first and second step of the reinforcement. If you want to see more tips, tricks and work hacks, go on our YouTube channel, Ottobock Professionals.